eye health nutrients that support clear vision. Small habits protect your sight daily. I noticed it at night first. Blurred signs, tired eyes, constant strain. I blamed screens and long hours. But the real issue was deeper. That moment pushed me to learn more. Not fear, just clarity. Vision depends on the retina and nerves. They need steady nutrients to function well. Vitamin A supports light-sensing cells. According to the World Health Organization, vitamin A deficiency is a leading cause of preventable vision issues. Research from the National Institutes of Health links nutrients like lutein and zinc to eye function and protection. I stopped looking for quick fixes and focused on filling real gaps. Here are key nutrients that made a difference. First, vitamin A, found in carrots and sweet potatoes, supports night vision and retinal health. 1 serving daily is enough. Second, lutein and zeaxanthin, present in spinach and kale. They help filter harmful blue light. A small bowl of greens works well. Third, omega-3 fats, found in fish like salmon, support tear production and eye comfort. 2 servings weekly is ideal. Fourth, zinc, present in nuts and seeds, helps transport vitamin A in the body. Fifth, vitamin C, found in citrus fruits, supports blood vessels in the eyes. Effects vary based on diet and health. I also reduced screen strain. Taking breaks every 20 minutes helped. Hydration improved eye comfort. Simple but effective. Tracking progress kept me consistent. Less strain. Clearer focus over time. A study in ophthalmology journals highlights combined nutrients over single ones. Balance matters more than extremes. Some foods may not suit everyone. Moderation is key for safety. Consult a doctor before supplements. Avoid excessive doses without guidance. My vision didn't become perfect overnight, but it became stronger and more stable. Start with one healthy habit today. Like and share if this helped. Protect your eyes. They guide your world.